At Christmas, Santa Claus delivers presents all over the world. Well, not all over. In the Basque Country, we have Olentzero. Though, like Santa, here we also ask for presents by letter. But who writes letters nowadays? Wouldn't it be great to be able to ask him for presents and talk to him whenever you want? ETB presents Olentzero in WhatsApp, the best contact you ever had during Christmas.
Olentzero me ha mandado una foto. Dile que me he portado súper bien.
But this is not a conventional chatbot with conversation schemes, buttons, and predefined answers. This is the first dynamic chatbot in WhatsApp that interprets and responds in real time. Each user could begin to chat freely to Olentzero, just as a real-life conversation in WhatsApp. A team of copywriters and developers wrote and programmed a dictionary for the bot with more than 10,000 possible answer combinations. When a user sent a WhatsApp, the system analyzed the message and chose the best possible response. If no match was found, the system generated an alert for the drafting team to add new words and new responses. Everything was monitored and updated in real time. Moreover, we had to create answers in Spanish and Basque, in addition to interpreting spelling mistakes, abbreviations, emojis, photos, audios, and videos. More than 1.5 million conversations with peaks of up to 150 messages with an average conversation time of 12 minutes. We also managed to make Olentzero a trending meme, and visits to @ETB's website quadrupled. Olentzero in WhatsApp, an initiative that makes an impact on popular culture and delivers a unique user experience. Never before had Olentzero been so real that even WhatsApp thought he was a person and not a bot.